Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one website you can claim Solana from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe. First of all, I go to deposit, copy the Solana wallet address from here, and this is Solana. Just I click it, copy it, come in this website link available in description. 3,520 Solana. This website pay you every 1 minute. Just paste your Solana wallet address and just click login. After that, just solve this captcha. Okay, it's too easy, not too hard solving the captcha. Okay, that's it, and then solve this captcha. And after that, just click verify captcha, and I just go to visit a short link. It's not too hard to visit a short link. Just click get to sponsor link. Okay, show a short links. First of all, 50 seconds. Wait, I just pause the video. After 60 seconds, I come back, or just I didn't anything. Okay, that's it. It's a 50 seconds, and just click next and click get link, and this another 10 seconds. Not too hard. For right now, it's not too hard to complete the short link. Maybe show you a different short link for you if you come here to make it. And this another 50 seconds. Maybe this will be show you 4 times. For the first time, maybe this short link available for you. Maybe show you another short link, but you complete the short link, and after that you have paid. Okay, just click get link, and that's it. This website sent me my Satoshi instantly to my faucetpay. I go to my faucetpay, go to overview, come down, and you can see I receive my Solana instantly to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself, and bye bye for now.